L, which is some sort of branch. What does BL stand for? I know it's a branch something. All right, so ARM64, ARM64, BL instruction. What is this? What is the BL instruction? Okay, I want this. There we go. Okay, it says branch with link. Branch with link. Branch less. Right? Branch with less. Like branch less, like partial branching or just a less significant branching. Right? So it says branch with link. Instructions to primary to perform a subroutine or a function call. And so I do believe it basically means that it's going to jump here. Oh, right. I'm sorry. Hey, no worries. All good. And then it returns immediately. I assume that's what ret means, right? So you return, which then immediately jumps back over here. So this is not really doing anything. So this is basically a call. Got it. It's basically a call. Yeah. B3. What is B? So there's the BL and then B. What is the difference here? Okay. Let's take a look. All right. So B versus BL assembly instruction. What's the difference? Okay. Primary difference between branch and branch with link instructions is that BL stores the return address in the link register, okay, allowing a return to the original code flow, where B performs an unconditional one-way jump. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. So if you just say B, it'll just pop there, and it has you can't use return. You cannot use return with L3. That's interesting. Okay. B move. All right. B and then B to L4. Interesting. That's neat. I like that. Oh, so that's like if you nest more than one function, it gets tricky because you need to manually push and pop the stack. Oh, so branch L4. Where are we here? My function store register the LR, push LR. Okay, do some work. Branch 2, branch the function 2, return immediately. Load register, which pops LR, store, push. Okay, so we can return once we've branched with a link, and then we can also store register and then load register to pop it. Okay. So yeah, that's manual store. Like the idea is that the call stack is the stack for the assembler. When you return the pop, a function from the stack to return to. And when you call, you have to push so return could do its job. Oh, otherwise return can't do its job. Well, return, as far as I understand, doesn't actually return any data. It just jumps back to the last position that was stored from the branch link. If you want to return anything, if you actually want to return any data, you have to store the data somewhere and then know where to read it. Like you want to store it in a register, a return register, or store it in some memory somewhere on the machine. So I think that's what